some beignets. These are going to be a simple, semi-homemade Sandra Lee style dupe for a Café du Monde. I think that's how you say that. And they are famous for their beignets. What you're going to need are these buttermilk biscuits, some powdered sugar, and some vegetable oil heated to 350 degrees, a paper towel lined pan, and that is all you're going to need. And let me show you how we're going to do this. The first thing we're going to do is cut our biscuits up while our oil is heating to 350 degrees. I'm just using these buttermilk biscuits is what it said to use. So that's what I'm using. And we're going to cut them into fourths. There is 5 in a pack. And you're just going to take them and cut them in half, and then cut them in half again. So this 1 pack of 5 would actually make 20. So I may just do the 1 pack. I don't know if my grandbabies are coming up and my son and his family. And if they are, then we will make the other pack. And that's all you got to do. And we're going to wait till our temp gets to the temperature it's supposed to be. And I'll take you over here and show you how we're going to make these. Just takes a few minutes and they're going to be really good. Okay, let's see what our temperature is to now. Used to be 350, 299, 300, 305, 308, 311, 321, 24, 26, 28, 30. Can you see that? All right, I think we're there. We're there. 350. So, I had this on high, so I'm going to turn it down just a tad. I'm going to be using my spider spoon, I think is what you call this. And I'm going to just drop a few in at a time, not a ton. And they are supposed to, from what I understand, turn over when they are done. You just have to cook them for, it just said 1 to 3 minutes. It's probably according to how big the biscuits are. These are the smaller, on the smaller side. So just remember that. You want to, pay attention to that. Okay. That's what the first batch looks like. I'm on our paper towels in a single layer. Flip them over when they're almost done. Fun fact, when we were growing up, my siblings and I, my dad would make us homemade donuts similar to this. He would take a canned biscuit and cut the middle out with a water bottle lid or something circle. And, see there? And then he would shake them in a brown paper bag, either with powdered sugar, or sometimes he would do sugar and cinnamon to make them like, you know, that kind of donuts. But we loved them. And you can imagine 5 kids. We didn't get a lot of sweets. We didn't have a lot of junk around our house. We didn't drink a lot of soda. We just, you know, ate healthy kind of food. And, well, if you call soup beans and fried potatoes and cornbread healthy, that's what I was growing up on. That's what I ate growing up. Okay. I'm going to turn this burner off for just a second. And we'll put the powder on these. So I've got a little sifter here. I'm going to put my powdered sugar in. We're just going to do it however there. And I think at Café du Monde you could do like a chocolate sauce or a raspberry sauce or a... I know those two are something that they usually do. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments if you all know. But I've seen them served in restaurants with powdered sugar, strawberry sauce, raspberry sauce, and chocolate sauce. Maybe even caramel sauce. I'm not sure. But that's what they look like. All right. Hold on just a minute and we'll get Chad in here to try one. Okay, Chad's gonna try one. You did get one with a lot of sugar on it. Okay, try it and see what you think. Be careful, it could be hot in the middle.
It's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste like the beignets we would get over there in Norton when that Magnolia restaurant was there? Do you remember we'd get them over there?
I can't remember. I'm sorry.
Let
It
me
tastes a
try
little
one.
bit like funnel cake, but sure way
Let
better.
me try one. Okay, look how good this looks. Okay.
Good, ain't it? I might eat
Funny.
all of them.
Yeah. I might make the other can because my grandbabies are coming out. All right. I would love for y'all to give me a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.